Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet a very unique stitch. It's called the berry stitch. Now for this stitch you have to crochet your chains in multiples of 2. Now for this tutorial I'll be chaining 20 chains. Okay, I have 20 chains. Now we're going to skip one chain. We don't count the stitch that's on the hook. This will be the first chain that we're going to skip, and we're going to single crochet in this other stitch. Now we're going to make one single crochet in each stitch to the end. Okay, this is our last stitch, our last single crochet. Now we're going to chain 1. We're going to turn our work around. Now that chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch. That's just to make it easy as a turning chain. Now in this first stitch we're going to make one single crochet. In the next stitch we're going to make a berry stitch, and the berry stitch you're going to yarn over, insert your hook in the stitch, grab your yarn, pull up the loop. We have 3 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over, we're going to pull through 1 loop. We still have 3 loops on the hook. We're gonna yarn over, we're gonna insert in that same space, grab our yarn, pull up the loop. Now we have 5 loops on the hook. Can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're gonna yarn over, we're gonna pull through all those 5 loops. That's our berry stitch. Now we're gonna single crochet in the next stitch next to that berry stitch. Our first berry stitch has been made. Now we're gonna continue on. We're gonna yarn over, insert our hook in that stitch, pull up your loop. We have 3 loops on the hook. We're gonna yarn over, we're gonna pull through that first loop. We're gonna yarn over, we're gonna insert our hook in that same space, grab your yarn, pull up that loop. Now we have 5 loops on the hook. We're gonna yarn over, we're gonna pull through all 5 loops. Another berry stitch has been made. We're gonna single crochet, in the next stitch. Now we have 2 berry stitches made, and we're gonna continue in this manner straight across until we get to the last single crochet. So let me do another one for you to see. We're gonna yarn over, insert our hook in the next stitch, grab your yarn, pull up the loop. We have 3 loops on the hook. We're gonna yarn over, we're gonna pull through that first loop. We have 3 loops there on the hook. We're gonna yarn over, insert the hook in that same space, grab your yarn, pull up the loop. Now we have 5 loops on the hook. We're gonna yarn over, we're gonna pull through all 5 loops. Now we're gonna single crochet in the next stitch. This is a 3rd berry stitch. I'm gonna continue on, and I'll be back for us to continue on with the project. Okay, we've now made it across. We have 1 more berry stitch to make. Now we're going to single crochet in the last stitch. Now we're going to chain 1. We're going to turn our work around. Now we're going to make 1 single crochet in this next stitch. Next stitch we're going to make 1 single crochet in this first stitch, single crochet in the berry stitch, single crochet in the next single crochet, single crochet in the next berry stitch, single crochet in the next single crochet, single crochet in the next berry stitch, and we're going to continue making these single crochets all the way to the end. So I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So before I leave you, let me make two more single crochets, single crochet in the next single crochet, single crochet in the next berry stitch. So I'll meet you back when I get to the end of this row. Okay, we've now come to the end of this third row. We have two more single crochets to make. We're going to single crochet in the berry stitch. We're going to single crochet in the last single crochet. So we're going to chain one. We will repeat rows 2 and 3 until we achieved the size of our project. I will go offline and make a few more rows and come back and show you what the stitch looks like. Okay, this is where I've gotten. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of the berry stitches. It's a very beautiful stitch. Now let me show you a baby beanie that I made using the same stitch. I crocheted this beanie using the same berry stitch and also the interlocking single crochet stitch. I'll link that video so you can see how to crochet that interlocking single crochet. So I'm sure you'll be able to make something like this. This turned out nicely as well. This will fit a 3 to 6 month old. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please remember to like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. In that way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.